Grabe Bruda on the lane. Rhythm shot. Passes his way. Jana putting it in play. Couldn't make it. Jana once again. For 7-1. Shot is a miss. One by the Joggers. Ace. De La Cruz on the freeway. Couldn't convert. Solabo this time. Balujon. Here is Nodi. Spin move. Stolen by Paul. Solabo on the freeway. Hand of the race, De La Cruz with a hesitation. Hand off to Jana, in and out. Here's Salada, NJ. Passes on to Christian, hand off. Christian here, 5 seconds to shoot. Ace for 3, short. Here's Ace De La Cruz. On to MJ. Jana fires, yes sir. On to Petty. Lights it up. De La Cruz setting it up, using the pitch from Solabo. Jana loses it, working on the shot clock for Ignite in this possession. Is Solabo on the inbound from the sidelines on the Ace. De La Cruz setting it up, Chama pointing down. Agos has it, long pass. Shot for the first Ace, here's De La Cruz. On to Agos, and that will be a foul. Ball goes to Perry, here's Santa Lucia is using the big deer. Perry with a jumper is good. Using the big deer from Ken. On to Cornita. Launches the trigger. Yes sir! He's Doggy with a letter. Pressing the attack. Oh, here's Santa Lucia now. On his way, lays it in. Shit. The clock winding down, 5 seconds to shoot. Can't get on the shot. Perry with the passes inside. Jana. To shift for Rafa. But the Quiros on the top of the key. Takes the shot. Here's Ace. On to GJ. Balan. Out the there. Getting the basket. Here's the breakout. Andrews goes the letter. Here's Ryan. On the attack, misses. Ken has it on the wheel. Abuda on to Ace. And the one now. Balan all the way. Bringing the ball down. Stolen there. Ace once again. All the way in. He's back 13. He's over holding the ball going. Here's a breakout, De La Cruz. Harantilla to July. Kick out pass onto Andrew on the left wing. Balijong to July. Perimeter shot is a miss. Francisco has it. Drop pass to Romar. Off the glass, one goal. July once again. Misses though. Here's the breakout. Ace to Lex. Couldn't finish. De La Costa once again. Up against Andrew. On the right wing, GJ releases. Yes sir, GJ Balan, 3. Here is Lex. De La Cuesta on the right wing. Balan once again, same spot. Yes sir. Here is Romar. Kick out, MJ answers. Yes sir. Cornita to GJ on the other side. In and out. Get back is hammered, baby. Too strong.
Silang.
This is Doya Laguna on to GJ. Balan to Lex. De La Cuesta with a letter on to Paul. Ken misses. Daniel has it. And with a letter. You see the pick. He takes the lead. Daylight shot won't connect. Here's the start forward. Third quarter. He's Doddy. On to Dice. Troy Land passes inside. Ryan overcoming things down. On to Christian. Agos. On to Abuda. Here's Doddy now on the run. He attacks all the way. Against Doddy. Followed by Buenaventura. He goes for the attack. All the way, misses. Doddy on the second service. De La Cruz on the lane. Anticipation, Jano on the ball. So Labo is hounded there heavily. Coming down. On the run. Touchdown is good. On to Lomar. Ryan on the baseline. Oliver Ryan runs his values. Making his way. Going the basket. On the left wing. To Ace. The Bruce against Scotty. Taken away from his defender. Shot clock winding down. Cal takes it. Misses. Even goes to that. Going through the attack. And yes, he arrives. Misses. Romer has it. And the foul is one. Breaking away. Extra pass foul. So Lava sticks out. Ace takes the corner. Misses though. Even goes to right. Now here's the breakout. Bali Chong on the break. Here's the Ace. Here's De La Cruz. Pero goes the block. Angie. Spin move. Out the there, so Lavo on the perimeter. Andrew on the setup. Angie on the middle. Misses. Ryan on the back. Here's the breakout. Balan on his way. Ace. Yes, sir. Vigiros on the left wing. MJ lights it up. Misses again. And ignites now. David there on the business. They're still on the upper hand. Ace using the pick. The ball on to GJ. Lights it off. Misses. Ball has it. Misses though. Ace with the reception. On the left wing. Shot clock winding down. And he has it. 5 seconds to shoot. Mary with the steal. He will run. Attacks. Yes, sir. Lead pass on to DJ. Balan to Daniel on the score. Oh, he goes to Harantilla. Very on the line. Sante loses on the heavy traffic. Against Lex. He attacks. Hernandez on the Nita ladder. He's on the right wing. Balan counting things down onto Ace. With Ace, 5 seconds to shoot. Here's Andrew on to Perry. Santelices on the cross court. Romer, kamay paloob, pass na fly. Bola number 1 in July. Romer runs it in, couldn't make it though. Here's a breakout. Balan on the attack to Henry. Balik strong. Here's the pick. Perry for 3. Yes, sir! What? Will it be nice or will it be Kondrata? Here is De La Cuesta. Passes. Cornita has it. Shots fired. Yes, sir! Balan on the crossboard. Lex lights it up. Misses. Put back. Is a no. Even goes to Ryan. Here's Ronces Valles. On the freeway. Attacks, misses, even goes to MJ. Bali jump fades away. Nowhere to go. Regiras has it on the body. Buenaventura. Looking to attack. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. MJ. Perry lights it up. Overshoots. Won't connect. Here's Balan. On the setup using the pick on the crossfield. Perry launching, attack. Balan against the line. Using the pick. Short, 1 point. He will start the list now. Against Jano. Process. And the foul is scored. Using the pick from Cornita. On the bench. Cornita on the left. They are once breaking away on the left wing. Ace does have his shoot. Passes on the long man. Perry takes the 3. Won't connect. Holding down. Here's Ace. De La Cruz against Dice. And handled by his defender. The attack. Yes, sir. Doggy on the play line. De La Cruz. And he handled once again. Using a bit from 10. On the left wing, to Flex. Loses the leather there. On to Freddy. Starts to loses. On the right side. He attacks. Yes, sir. To the 6. Here's Balan. On the level. Passes on the left side. With a cross board. Left. Witness. Solano. Doggy. Passes to the middle. Back to Buenaventura. Using the pick from Francisco. Back to July. Taking the shot. Misses. Doggy. Puts it back. Here's De La Cruz. Lead on to Manila. Ken. Fights the middle. Misses. Even goes to Ryan. Here's Ronchis Valias. On the attack. Ken. Here's Ken. For Ita. On the level. On the left wing. Passes to Uzi. De La Cruz on the pedal. Yes, sir. Berry. That takes the lead. Misses. Even goes to July. Runs his balance on the Bruce Berry. On the body. Attack. That's on the right wing. DJ. To ball. Lex. On the left side to De La Cruz. Handled by Balijon. There goes the Ken. Termita against Balijon. 5 seconds to shoot. Houston. On the left. Shot clock goal. Using the pick. Attacks. Misses. Ivan goes to Salavo. Here is DJ. Launches. Yes, sir! The clock is winding down. He goes inside. Muscles his way and here's the play now. Ken on the left. De La Cuesta is there on the heavy traffic. He arrives. Misses the getaway. Roman puts back. Breaking away. He pass Solano. Passes on to Romar. Harantilla on the baseline. Finish the next. From Ita. Passes loaded by Dodi. Here's Buenaventura. He attacks and he's fouled. Balan. This is stolen by July. Dodi stolen by Ace. And that was a foul. De La Cruz with the reception. Ace bringing it down. Ball from 10. On the left. De La Cruz bringing it down. Up against Andrew. Very stolen. It's Perry. On to Envy. Then he jumped to double. Yes, it's stolen by GJ. Our final score.